All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I do want to say some things. And the first thing is welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you all well. To all my subscribers, welcome back, and let's jump into this chart. So Sorrento had a bearish run for almost a month and a half. I mean, we hit highs here close to the $20 mark, and it fell down to lows very close to the $5 mark. I mean, incredible bearish run. Every time the bulls crossed the 50-day moving average, it just hit newer lows. And here we are seeing where we're at. And recently, it hit a new high of 1129, and the second high after that, once it leveled off, was 1115. So very important things to keep in mind right now is 1115 is the highest point before 1121. And the reason why 1115 is important is because that is the second highest point here before the bearish run. And that is the highest point hit twice once this bullish run. So 1115 is a pivotal number right now for the bulls. Now, today's resistance level was 1057, and this continued to tear down by the bears. I mean, it hit lows of about 853, and we're going to move this to its new locations, and we're going to go ahead and see what's important for tomorrow. So here we are with our new resistance level and support levels. Now I'm going to talk about this zoomed in, and then we're going to talk about it a little zoomed out. I already stated the numbers up here. If you didn't get a chance to hear them quite well, just jump back to that after you're finished with the video and write those numbers down. But right now, let's zoom in here to what's important for tomorrow. So the 50-day moving average is 971. Very important number. Right now, we're below it. The bears are in control. The moment we break through it, the bulls will be in control. And that's not just the first point for the bulls to gain control. They need to continue to work further away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction so that they can go ahead and get deeper into bullish territory significantly and start to gain control to break through new resistance levels and newer highs. But before any of that is accomplished, the bulls are going to need to break through the first resistance level. And this resistance level is still located in bearish territory. That's why the 50-day moving average is very important as well. But if they break through this resistance level and turn it into support, we have a sense of direction of where this is going and how the stock is doing. So if the bulls break the resistance, which is 944, they're going to be on their way to hit newer highs and new resistance levels, and their next goal would be the 50-day moving average. But they need to turn 944 into a support level once they break through it, and then start to work their way up to newer highs and new resistance levels. If the bulls can't accomplish that, then the bears are definitely still dominating this one by keeping it in bearish territory, and it's just going to make it more difficult for the bulls to have a recovery. They have to break through 944 so they can start to work their way up to newer highs. Now, it closed out at 910. And on the other spectrum of things, we have the bears. And the bears are going to want to tear this one down to newer lows. And that's 888. If that gets broken through, which is our support level, the bears are managing to bring this one further down, further away from the 50-day moving average of 971, and downwards to newer lows and new support levels. I want to emphasize how important it is to pay close attention to the behavior of the stock if 888 gets broken through, and how quickly is it moving to newer lows. Because the next point to bear in mind and keep in mind is 854. That's the lowest point this stock reached from this bullish run and in this bearish run. 854 would be the next support level. But before even getting there, 888, I want to emphasize how important it is. Bear in mind how this is acting. Put your 1 minute, 15 minute, 10-minute charts, right? Excuse me, not 10-minute charts, 5-minute charts, and see what is going on with the stock. How quickly is it moving down? And are the bulls even trying to reappear and bring this one back up? I hope that with this information, you guys will be well equipped to go ahead and make your own rational decisions following these cues for the next trading day. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. If you feel encouraged or inclined to subscribe, please do so, but don't forget to click on the bell so that you guys can turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share us with your friends and community. And at the end of this video, there's going to be a pop-up video. And in that video, I'm talking about how you guys, as investors, can take advantage on the dates that the Federal Reserve is pumping the market. Some great, vital information that many people aren't talking about, many investors are overlooking, and I'm mentioning it because a lot of viewers and a lot of my subscribers are actually not getting notified when I post these videos. Some people are, some people aren't. I don't know what's going on with YouTube when the notifications are supposed to strike and let you guys know that I posted it, but it tends to work that way. I want to inform you all to not miss out on the great news that there is a way to make money. I've been profiting 30 cents to $3 per share by buying at the right time at the lows of the week and selling on the dates of the pump, which actually makes the pump, right, rise. It makes the whole S&P 500 rise, which makes certain ticker symbols rise. So my best advice is always do your own due diligence and research. And what you're going to research is Fortune 500 companies that you feel that are strong and American-based companies that will be participating in this. And the way to confirm it, and it's been working for me, is checking out the behavior of the S&P 500 on the specific pump dates and checking out the behavior of the specific ticker symbol on the specific pump dates and see how much it rises. And then right there, as investors, you guys can do your due diligence, research, and make your own rational decisions and calculations to go ahead and make a rightful move. The whole point of the video is for everybody to maximize profits, minimize losses, and take advantage of this great information. I'm just there to enlighten you guys. I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold. Just here to pass on the great news and information that there is a way to profit. No, it doesn't sound like a lot, but like I always say, profits are profits. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.